In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your header sticky when scrolling up and down on your website. In this way, you're going to make your website look more eye-catching and attractive. We are going to use WordPress and sticky header effects for Elementor plugin. Log into your WordPress dashboard. We need to install and activate sticky header effects for Elementor. Come to plugins, add new plugin. Search for sticky header effects. Here it is. Click on install now. Activate it. And now I have created my own header version for my own website. It is under Appearance, Elementor Header and Footer Builder. I'm going to click on Edit with Elementor. And sticky header effects are going to be installed now. Before we make our header sticky, I'm going to show you on my home page that it is not sticky, not just yet. If I scroll down, as you can see, it's not sticky. If I scroll back up, same also. So you need to click on 6 dots, come to Advanced, scroll down until you find sticky header effects. Click on it, and we need to enable it. And we have different options here. If you leave scroll distance at 0, your header is going to be sticky all the way when you scroll on the website. We can test it. Just click on Update. Come back to our website home page. Right click, refresh. Now we are going to scroll down, and as you can see, header is sticky throughout the whole scrolling. When we scroll back down and up. Maybe you want to make it sticky just when you scroll back up. Just scroll down. You need to enable hide header on scroll down and click on Update. Now we need to refresh our home page again. And now if we scroll down, as you can see, header is hidden. And when we scroll back up, header is here again. And now I have shown you how to make your header sticky just when you scroll down and just when you scroll up. Now I'm going to show you how to make it sticky and transparent both when you scroll up and down, but before it activates, you need to scroll, for example, 300 pixels. How are we going to do that? We are going to disable hide header on scroll down, so header is sticky throughout the whole website. Scroll up. Now you can change scroll distance to 400. Update. And now when we scroll 400 pixels, sticky header is then going to be activated. And as you can see, only when we scroll 400 pixels is sticky header activated. Now I'm going to show you how to change background color of your header when you scroll up and down. Come back to your advanced settings, scroll down until you find background color, and you need to enable it. And now you can choose any color you desire. Let's use white in this example. Click on Update. Refresh your home page again. And now when our sticky header activates, background color is going to be different. As you can see, background color is now white. If you want to make it transparent, so you can view everything on your website through your sticky header, you need to come back to Settings and make a lighter version of white color. It's over here under all colors. Drag to the left to make it lighter. And then click on Update. Now let's test it. Refresh your home page. And as you can see, everything on the website is visible through our sticky header. I like my sticky header like this, so I'm just going to leave it. You can customize your sticky header however you desire. I have shown you how to make it sticky throughout the whole website, and how to make it sticky only when you scroll up, and how to change background color and make it transparent so everything is visible. Thanks for watching. Hope now you know how to make your header sticky. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you don't know how to make your own custom header version for your website, just click on my previous video over here.